Hey folks, old guy is here and I am kind of excited because today I got in a product that I saw Destined Goblin review, and it is something that I've always had issues with, and that is pork rinds. Now I love fresh pork rinds, but uh, packaged, pre-made pork rinds taste just like a mouthful of crunchy, rancid pork grease. I don't like them. But when I saw him review this, when I saw Destined Goblin review these, I knew that I was going to have to give them a try because I am just a fanatic for chicharron, which is pork rinds, but they're freshly made and they're delicious, and I'm hoping that's what I'm going to get with this one. Now, let me just kind of pull this open on the top. It comes in these little pouches. There's 10 pouches to the bag. There's 120 calories to a serving, and you dump the contents into one of these little popper bags, they're called, and just follow the instructions. I think you microwave for like a couple of minutes, and you go from there. So I'll be back after I get them into the bag and popped. We'll see you then. Okay, well, look at that. They're still snapping and crackling. This old guy thought they kind of smelled weird. I think they smell pretty good. Here we go. Well, it's certainly better than any of the packaged ones I've had as far, pre-made pork rinds. Very light and crispy. The only thing is I could say they're lacking in some salt, maybe a little pepper. But I imagine I could just add that after they come out of the microwave. So, yeah, these are a pretty tasty little snack. And I'm glad they don't taste like a mouthful of crunchy, rancid pork fat. Because that's just not a pleasant experience. Hot. Crunchy, really light. Can you see that? They're still popping. All right, well, I'm going to have to give Mama Jamma microwave pork rinds. They're a pretty darn good snack. I'm going to have to give them a 7 out of 10. Old man grunts. Ugh. And don't forget, please, head over and check out Destined Goblin's review of this product. And make sure you hit his like and subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.